You ask for proof, like truth is iron, to be weighed in your hand. But tell me this, who forged the sky you stand under? You say the world was born from an empty grave of night, but I see fire in the heavens like a blacksmith strike of light. Stars hung like weapons in a perfectly drawn line. Tell me, who was the hand that carved their design? From nothing comes nothing, even the cold knows that law. So who lit the first flame and gave the darkness its floor?
Who fought the sky? Who breathed the sea? Who fought the storm and called it to be?
You stand on ground you did not make. You draw each breath you did not take. Call it fate or call it fire, but something greater built this power. You say right and wrong are tales the weak men tell, but why does your spirit tremble at the thought of hell? Why does blood cry justice when the innocent fall? If there's no throne above us, who judges it all? If we're beasts of the earth, then why do we know there's a war in our bones between dark and the glow?
Who fought the sky? Who breathed the sea? Who fought the storm and called it to be?
You walk through a world already designed, yet call it chaos and think it's blind. Call it faith or call it war, but your soul knows there's something more. Fire, breathe, blood, dust. You want a God you can chain, measure, explain, contain. But what if he's the storm? You've been standing in all along, all along. Open your eyes.
Who fought the sky? Who breathed your soul? Who writes your name where time can't control?
You are not random, you are not stray. You were called into life, not drifted this way. Call it faith or call it truth, but you were known before your news. You asked for proof. The fire and
Who breathed the sea? Who fought
just for proof. The fire